Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. I'm talking very softly because Mayang is in a meeting right now, and my mom is sitting outside in the patio. She's loving the greenery. She's enjoying the patio. She's already done with her tea. I'm making tea for myself and Mayang right now. And yep, for breakfast I'm gonna be making avocado toast for her, and like as usual we take our shakes for us. So that is what's going to happen. And hold on, let me go give this tea to Mayang and come back. She's talking to my brother over phone, FaceTime, and I am enjoying my tea right here. And my today's cup, it says, "Think positive, and great things will happen." Right? It's very true. Anyways, we're gonna enjoy some tea, and I'll see you guys in some time. I am done with my bath and everything, and I'm just uploading a video. Yesterday's video, it's almost done. Processing is done and publish. And mom is gonna make Indian food today. She's gonna make lauki with chana dal. Lauki is bottle gourd and chana dal is chana dal. And it's yellow lentils. And she's gonna make karela, which is called bitter gourd. She's gonna make that. So yes, today is gonna be like Indian food. Indian food lunch. Indian lunch, we're gonna have actually a proper Indian lunch. We hardly like make proper Indian food or something because we just love all the cuisines, and we love eating. Like at our place, it's not only Indian food in our house, it's like all the cuisines. We love it. But she's here today, so she's making it for us. I'm gonna show you guys how she'll make it. And Marvel, come here. So yep, that is what is happening. Look at Marvel. What do you want, baby? Come here. Oh, I'm so thirsty. I finish this bottle like every single day. This is almost 1 gallon. Yes. I hope you guys are enjoying our vlogs. If you guys have any suggestions, please feel free to let us know. We'll be more than happy to apply it in our vlogs and all that stuff. Import, save. Yep. So I was really busy from the morning. I got up, took Marva, gave him food, took him out, made tea for mom, made tea for me and Mayang and myself. And then made shake for me and Mayang, our breakfast, and then made different breakfast for mom because she wanted to eat avocado toast with egg and everything, so I made that for her. She loved it. It was her first time tasting it and she loved it. And then I just rinsed all the dishes, put them in a dishwasher. I didn't switch it on till now. I'll do it in some time. I took bath. Yep. And just prepped a little bit of lunch, like soaked the lentils. And rest is just here. Like I'm just taking out everything from the fridge. She'll just start making whenever she has to make. And yeah, that is what's happening. Mom is here. She's
Hi everyone. Hello.
Are you liking it here? आपको अच्छा लग रहा है?
Very nice place. Excellent house.
It's Mama. It's very sharp, huh? The knife.
Excellent house.
The knife is very sharp.
So well. Kept it so well.
Anyway, so
I'm very proud of my children.
Yay! Anyway, she's making food right now, so I'm gonna go help her, and I'll see you guys in some time. Like I'll definitely show you guys what and how we are making it.
Bache, peeler.
Let me go. Peeler is over here. I'll peel it for you.
नहीं, you tell me. Peeler. तुम ऐसा करो कि बस चने की दाल धो के और नमक और टमाटर डाल के उसमें डाल दो.
And lauki?
Lauki में दे दी.
So, chana dal with lauki and everything is in the instant pot. It's almost going to be done. Karela is boiling, onions are sauteed, she's doing the dough, even though I told her that I have kitchenette mixer, the kitchenette can do it, but she want to do it with her hand. And I am grating half of the bottle gourd, which is Loki, to make raita out of it. So that is what is happening here.
Mom and daughter are cooking that.
Yeah, so this is the first time we are cooking together in the kitchen. We have never done that. It's going good so far. बीच का तो वो होल है ना?
हाँ, बीच का नहीं करूँगा, साइड साइड का करूँगा, बीच का नहीं। अच्छा ये
So lunch is ready. Let me show you. It's Mayang's lunch break, so we are all three are having our lunch together. This is the dal with Loki and everything. This is plain rice. This is Karela. This is Loki karaida with bundi.
Yes.
And we have some roti right here. And this is the leftover rice that we ate last night. And that's it. This is our lunch. We're gonna enjoy here. Marvel is almost very sleepy right there. Okay guys, so we went to TJ Maxx. Mom did a lot of shopping from TJ Maxx, and now we are in Panera Bread. Like we are taking her to all her favorite places, and we ordered a salad, a bread bowl, soup, and a sandwich, half and half. So she's gonna taste that. And I also packed like 2 Asiago cheese bagels for her that I'm gonna give her tomorrow for breakfast. So yep, everything's ready. And from when we're done from here, we're gonna go to Walmart and show her around. She's here. She's excited. She's enjoying.
Really happy to be with my darling children. So happy to be with them, enjoying every bit with them.
Yeah, she's loving it here. Even though even the weather is good and everything, so it's not very hot or something. So yep, we are enjoying her stay here. Mayang is just getting the order, and yeah, I'll show you guys once we reach home what all she got from TJ Maxx. She got some stuff for her house, like to arrange in the kitchen and all that stuff, like oil containers and all the things, because we don't get that stuff there. So yeah, that is what's happening here. What did you get?
I got
Oh my
one
god.
sandwich is in there, one sandwich is in here, and I'm gonna get the
Oh
salad.
God.
Oh my god, wow. This is the broccoli cheddar soup bowl, bread bowl, and that is the capri sandwich, and this is Mediterranean veggie with some bread. Yummy! She's taking pictures. My salad
This
is
is called
here.
green goddess cob.
Oh my god, this is
salad.
like a full salad. Delicious.
I guess I'll put-
Babe, I think you want to get one more dressing.
There is one inside it.
Okay.
One I got extra.
Okay, cool.
And 3 forks I got to eat. To
Cool.
eat.
Okay guys, done with Panera bread. What were you saying?
I believe we have to eat
So-
much big soup and big salad.
Anyway, so we are done with Panera bread. Mom enjoyed the food. आपको अच्छा लगा?
Very nice.
Babe, did you like it? Well, he always loves it. And now we are going to Walmart. And it's super cold today. It's really cold. बहुत अच्छा weather है ना? बहुत ही अच्छा weather. The weather is so nice.
तो मुझे जैकेट बनना पड़ेगा।
Jacket है?
Walmart के अंदर पहनी जगह
हाँ, jacket
यहीं पे रखे हैं दोनों जैकेट.
We got jackets because Walmart is always so cold. So yeah. So let's go to Walmart. Here in Walmart. Are you excited?
Oh, very much. Very much.
So yeah, let's go. We'll look around the entire Walmart, have some fun, and yeah. So guys, we came back home a little bit back, and we were watching TV. Now Mom has gone to sleep, and I did soak some lentils right here because she is gonna prepare some things for Holi, and we are super excited for that. Yep, she's gonna
We haven't made traditional Holi food in last 3 years since we
Yeah.
have been, and we never there was never a chance that we went to India during the time of Holi. We did went during the time of Diwali, but we never went during the time of Holi. So this is like gonna be our very first Holi when mom is here. So she's gonna make like delicious all those dahi vada and what else she was gujia she's gonna make.
And she also gonna make what is that?
Kanji ka pani.
Kanji ka pani.
So we are very excited for all the food.
Yeah, so I'm also gonna do I'm gonna shoot a recipe with her. So it's gonna be, she'll be teaching me how to make all that stuff. So yes, that is what is happening right now. We're just packing up all these things, folding up our pillows and blankets, whatever we use while sitting over here, and off to bed. We have a working day tomorrow, so yeah. I hope you guys also had an amazing day. Okay. That's it.
See, this is Apple TV, stupid thing.
Right. Let's go. So Marvel is also sleeping now, and we are also going to go sleep. So good night, guys. Thank you so much for watching, liking our videos, subscribing. And I got this from 5.5 Medex vitamin C and turmeric, like a body lotion kind of thing. So I want to try this. It smells amazing. So yeah, and that's it. So we'll see you guys in our next vlog tomorrow. So till then, bye bye.